Hey guys, how you doing? So it's your girl Annie. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm here to run a COVID test. So this is a specialist hospital. It's at Showore Street off Pashoro in Surulere. So guys, wish me luck and then see you later. Heard of what? So this is where they brought me. So I don't know if you can see that properly. So I think I'm supposed to stand here and then hello. Say hi to my viewers.
Hi, viewers.
Okay. So where am I supposed to stay? Am I supposed to?
Yeah, you can stay there on the table.
Stand here, okay. So guys, this is me standing and waiting while it gets all geared up and all that. It's fucking scary, but this is my second time, so it's gonna be okay.
This is the test kit I'm using.
Okay.
There are two shots inside the test kit.
Okay.
Can
Can you repeat it again?
I'll be taking something from your nose
Okay.
and the other from your mouth.
Okay, so let me see the kit you'll be using again. Okay, so that's the kit for the test. So guys, oh my god. All right. All right. So, are we set? My mouth? I didn't even do my mouth in talking. It was just my nose.
Okay. So yeah, we take from your mouth and
Okay.
so I'll need you to open your mouth. Bring out your tongue. Bring out your tongue. Okay. Just go down the left. Nothing.
You are clear. That's you. Not nice. Oh, good. That's not nice. Nice.
And then this one is
Okay.
different from the nose.
Okay.
This one can be dry contracted.
Okay.
But if you still calm enough, I think you can use it.
All right.
So I need you to raise your head. Relax. You put them to the front first and just put my back. That's it.
So guys.
That's it.
Wow. So now I have to do is wait for the results, and yeah, I'll keep you guys updated. So bye. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button, share, like, and see you guys later. Bye. And I promise to keep you guys updated. So let's see what the result is. Honestly, I'm freaked, like I'm so freaked, as in I don't know what to say. I'm freaked out, like I'm so super scared. So let's open there and see what it is. So fingers crossed. So the moment of truth is loading. So let me bold this out. So can you guys see? Not detected. Woo! I'm super happy. Like I feel so relieved, like for real. So guys, I'm super happy, I'm relieved, and I felt good. Like, oh my god, finally, like no COVID, like I'm free, like I'm happy. So guys, COVID-19 is still out there, so you should take care of yourself, take the preventive measurements and all that, and carrying on the test once in a while and all that. It actually cost me 50,000, and that's about $100 to run this test in Nigeria, but it's way cheaper in Turkey. I spent about 250 lira, which is about let me say $40 to run the test here. So guys, don't give in, just be hopeful, and very soon we're all going to kick COVID-19 butt. All right guys, see you guys. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button, like, comment, and share this video. I love you all. Bye.